Assalamu alaikum children. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone returned your exams well. So let's go with our next lesson. Welcome back to our next lesson children. So what is our next lesson children? The keyboard and its function. What is a keyboard? It is nothing but a part of a computer. The keyboard and its function. Let us see what are the functions of a keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. Yes, these keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. See, this is nothing but a keyboard. With the help of this keyboard, what we can do? We can type letters, numbers and symbols. Keyboard, it is an important part of a computer. Without keyboard, we can't type anything on a computer. These are alphabet keys. These are numeric keys. Delete key. Numeric keys here also is giving. This is arrow keys. Space bar. Space bar is nothing but giving space between the words. So let's go with the first one, alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z on them, but they are not given in the order. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. We can type letter, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Yes, these are alphabet keys. How many alphabets we are having children? We are having 26 alphabets. So they are not arranged in proper manner. From A to Z they are not arranged. They are arranged in shuffle manner because it is a keyboard now. So it is not arranged in a systematic order. So it is arranged in a shuffle manner. So we are having A to Z alphabet keys. With the help of this key, what we can do? We can type letters, words, numbers, etc. sentences. Okay children? Okay. So next, press the keys that spell your name. You will find your name on the screen. Yes, see what is the spelling of your name? If you'll type, they will show here. Yes, they will show on the computer screen. See this one. These are nothing but the alphabet keys. We are having A to Z alphabet keys. They are in 26 in number. Okay children? Understood? With the help of alphabet keys, what we can type? We can type letters, words, sentences. Okay. Let's go with the number key. The number keys have number on them. There are 10 numbers, that is from 0 to 9. The present above the alphabet keys are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. by using these keys. So we are having how many number keys children? We are having 10 number keys from 0 to 9. Yes, with the help of these keys, number keys, what we can type? We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. because these are nothing but numbers. They are above the alphabet keys. Okay children, with the help of this number keys, what we can type? We can type age, roll number, house number, etc. Okay, the number key are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. So it is having on the above side and we are having on the right side. So this is nothing but number keys. What is this? Numeric keypad. See, type your roll number. First you have to write your name, no? So next what you are will write? Roll number. So roll number we can write with the help of what children? Yes, number. Press the enter key. The cursor will move to the next line. A cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. Now type the age. Roll number is also nothing but a number. Age is also nothing but a number. Now see the next one. Special keys. These keys have different symbols on them. See, these are the special keys, nothing but the symbols. Okay children? This we are having on a keyboard. These are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Let's learn about them. Okay children, we are having some more special keys. Space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used between the text. Yes, I said no, this is the longest key on the keyboard. With the help of this key, we can give space between the words. Next, caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Press the caps lock key once the caps lock light will turn on. Yes, whenever we are pressing this, here we have the small light. The light will turn on. The light will turn on. So we can write the letters in a capital. Caps lock is nothing but caps lock is used to type the letters in a capital. I like my school. It's nothing but all the letters came in the capital words. Now press the caps lock key again. The caps lock light will turn off. Now type the sentence again and see the difference. Yes, again we have to press the light will turn off. When the light will turn off, it won't come in a capital letter. Enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has two enter keys. How many enter keys we are having? We are having two enter keys. See, this is After this we have to click on enter key, so we are getting in the next line. So next we are having arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Yes, nothing but up arrow key. Obviously it will move up. This is nothing but down arrow key. Move to the down. Left this side. Right means this side. Okay children. Backspace key. The backspace key erase the letters type on the left side of the cursor. Yes, we are using eraser in our notebooks now. So exactly in the same way here we are having backspace key. We can't use our eraser on the keyboard on the computer. So what we are having backspace key to erase the letters from the left side. Delete key. The delete key erases the letters on the right side of the cursor. Backspace from the left side, delete key from the right side. Okay children, I hope children you enjoyed this. Thank you. So once again we repeat, keyboard and its function we are having alphabet keys, number keys, and some are the special keys. With the help of these keys we can type any information, any assignments. Okay, I hope you children enjoyed it. Thank you.